We have to discuss today class 12th related chapter 4th determinants exercise 4.5 question 16 of NCERT. Matrix A is equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 A 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 and 2. Prove that A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4A is equal to 0. This we have to prove, and by the help of this we have to find out the value of A inverse. Now in solution, first of all we have to find out A square. So A square is equal to what? A into A. A into A, that is A square is equal to 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 1 2. This we have to multiply by this matrix only. 2 minus 1 1 minus 1 2 minus 1 and then 1 minus 1 2. So A square is equal to 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus 1 1 are 1, 4 plus 1 plus 1 again, because this 1 into 1. Now 2 into minus 1 minus 2, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 and 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Now 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 and then 1 into 2 is 2. Now minus 1 into 2 is minus 2, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Now minus 1 into minus 1 is 1, 2 into 2 is 4 and minus 1 into minus 1 is again 1. Now minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 and then minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Now 1 into 2 is 2, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 and then plus 2 under 2. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into 2 is minus 2 and 2 into minus 1 is minus 2. Now 1 into 1 is 1, minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1 and 2 2s are 4. So A square is equal to what? A square is equal to, here we have got 4 5 6 minus 5 and here it is 5, minus 5 6 minus 5 5 minus 5 and 6. Now what is needed here? 6A square. 6A square is needed. So let us find out 6A square. 6A square is equal to 6 6 are 36, 6 5 are 30, so negative 30, 6 5 are 30, it is positive 30, 6 5 are 30, it is negative 30 and 6 6 are 36 and then 6 into minus 5 is minus 30. Now 5 into 6 is 30, minus 5 into 6 is minus 30 and then 6 into 6 is 36. Now let us determine this 4i also and 9a. First of all 9a. 9a is equal to what? I am multiplying 9 directly in this A. 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9, so it will be negative 9, it will be positive 9 and here it is minus 9, 18, again minus 9, 9, minus 9 and 18. Now what we have to find? 4i means 3 by 3 identity matrix. So 4i is equal to what? 4 0 0. 4 0 0, because identity matrix is 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, but 4 is multiplied in that one of diagonal. So 4 0 0 0 4 0 and 0 0 4 0 0 4. Now what we have to determine? A cube. A cube is needed because here it is A cube also. So A cube is equal to what? A cube is equal to a square into a square into a. So a cube is equal to a square means we have to write this value. 6 minus 5, 5. 6 minus 5, 5. And then minus 5, 6 minus 5. Minus 5, 6. Minus 5. And then 5 minus 5, 6. 5 minus 5, 6. Into a. Value of a is 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Then minus 1, 2 minus 1. Minus 1, 2 minus 1. And then 1 minus 1, 2. 1 minus 1 and 2. This we have to multiply. So a cube is equal to 6 2s are 12. Minus into minus plus 5. 5 on the 5. And 5 on the 5 again. Now 6 on the 6. So minus 6. Minus 5 into plus 2. That is minus 10. And then 5 into minus 1. That is minus 5. Now 6 on the 6. Minus into minus plus 5 on the 5. And then 5 to the 10. Now minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. Plus 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Plus minus 1 into minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. Now minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. And 6 to the 12. And then minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. Now minus 5 into 1 is minus 5. 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. This is minus 1. And then minus 5 into plus 2. That is minus 10. Now 5 into 2 is 10. Minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. And then 6 on the 6 plus 6. Now 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Minus 5 into 2 is minus 10. And then 6 into minus 1 is minus 6. Again 5 into 1 is 5. Minus 5 into minus 1 is plus 5. And then 6 2s are 12 will be positive 12. So finally we will get a cube is equal to what? A cube is equal to 12 and 10. 22. Minus 10 minus 16 minus 21. Minus 21. 10, 5, 15, 6, 21. Here it is minus 21. Huh? This minus sign is there. It is again minus 21. 22. And this is minus 15 minus 6. That is minus 21. Here it is 6, 5, 11, 10, 21. Minus 5 minus 6 minus 11 minus 10 minus 21. And then 10 and 12, 22. Now what we have to prove? Let us take LHS of that proof. So we are taking LHS now. LHS is equal to a cube minus 6a square plus 9a minus 4r. So it is equal to a cube means I am writing this value 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21, 22 minus 21, 21 minus 21 and 22 minus 6a square. 6a square is what? We have determined here 36 minus 30 minus 36 minus 30 and 30. Now what? Minus 30, 36 minus 30. Minus 30, 36 minus 30. Here it is 30 minus 30, 36. 30 minus 30 and 36. Plus 9a. See 9a. Where is 9a? Here it is. 18 minus 9, 9. 18 minus 9 and 9. Minus 9, 18 minus 9. Minus 9, 18 minus 9. And then 9 minus 9, 18. 9 minus 9 and 18. Now what is needed? Minus 4i. 4i is, you know very well, 400, 040 and 004. So let us solve this here. what it will become? 22 minus 36, that is minus 14. So here it is minus 14 minus 21 plus 30 means 9. 21 minus 30, that is minus 9. Minus 21 plus 30 is 9. 22 minus 36, what it is? 14. Minus 14 it is. And minus 21 plus 30 is again 9. Now 21 minus 30 is minus 9. Now minus 21 plus 30 is 9. And here it is 22 minus 36 is 14 minus 14. Now what is needed to solve this? So plus sign is there, and then 18 minus 4 is 14. 18 minus 4 is 14. Minus 9 minus 0 means minus 9. And here it is 9 minus 0 is 9. Minus 9 minus 0 is minus 9 only. 18 minus 4 is 14. 18 minus 4 is 14. And minus 9 minus 0 is minus 9. See, 9 minus 0 is 9 again. Minus 9 minus 0 is minus 9. And 18, here it is 18, huh? Not negative 18, it is 18 only. 18 minus 4 is 14. So what will be the final conclusion? It is C. What is here? Minus 14 plus 14, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Minus 9 plus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Minus 14 plus 14, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9 plus 9. Here it is minus 9. Huh? Minus 9 plus 9 is 0. And 9 minus 9 is again 0. And minus 14 plus 14 is again 0. So it is equal to RHS. As proved. This part is over. Now we have to find A inverse by the help of this complete. So up to here it is over. It is proved that what is proved? That A cube minus 6A square plus 9A minus 4I is equal to 0 matrix. So on multiplying by A raised to the power minus 1, this will become A square minus 6A plus 9I, because A raised to the power 1 minus 1 is 0. So A raised to the power 0 means we can write identity matrix here. Minus 4I into A inverse is A inverse is equal to 0. So we can transpose these three from LHS to RHS, these three terms. So what it will become? Minus 4A inverse is equal to 6A, or you may write minus A square plus 6A minus 9I, or we can take minus sign common. So minus 4A inverse is equal to, if we are taking minus sign common, then it will become A square minus 6A plus 9I. So this minus sign is cancelled by this one. Now A inverse is equal to what? A square. A square value we are having. See, here this is A square. This value. 6 minus 5, and then 6 minus 5, 5, and then minus 5, 6, minus 5, and here it is 5 minus 5, 6. It is A square minus 6A. 6A into 6 means 6 into this 2 minus 1, 1, and minus 1, 2, minus 1, and then 1 minus 1, 2, and then 9I. 9I we can write directly 900 We can write directly 900, 090 and 009. This is the value of 9i. Now we can solve it. A inverse is equal to what? It is 4A inverse, sorry. 4A inverse is equal to what? 4A inverse is equal to, see I am doing here, 6 minus 12 plus 9. 6 minus 12 plus 9. Now minus 5 plus 6, minus 5 plus 6 plus 0. And then 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6 plus 0. And then minus 5 plus 6 plus 0. Now 6 minus 12, 6 minus 12 plus 9, because this element is 9 here. Minus 5, here it is minus 5. See, minus 5 plus 6, because this minus and this minus will become plus. Plus 6 and then plus 0. Now, what is another value? 5 minus 6, 5 minus 6 and then plus 0. Now minus 5 plus 6, minus 5 plus 6 and then plus 0 again. Now 6 minus 12, 6 minus 12, because minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, plus 9. So we may write now A inverse is equal to what? A inverse is equal to 1 by 4. See, this 4 is shifted to denominator of RHS. 6 minus 12 is minus 6, 9 minus 6 is 3. So it will be 3. This value is 3. It is 3. Minus 5 plus 6 is 1. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. It is 3, huh? 6 minus 5 is 1. 9 plus 6, 15 minus 12 is 3. 6 minus 5 is 1 again. 5 minus 6 is minus 1. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 plus 9, 15 minus 12 is 3. So this is only the value of A inverse. In this way we can determine the value of A inverse. So this question 16 is over. Thanks a lot for watching our channel, and please do like it, subscribe it and share it as much as possible.